Hello. Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So my name is Sarah. I am from the U.S. What about you? What's your name and where are you from?
Okay. My name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Awesome. Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. So how long have you been learning English?
I joined the Cambly 1 month ago.
Okay. So you didn't know any English before Cambly?
No.
None.
Yes. None.
Okay. All right. So you never learned English in school as a kid?
Yeah. Yes. But I don't spoke.
Okay. But you never spoke.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, awesome. All right. So we have 10 minutes. How can I help you with your English?
Today I want to learn adjective and verb. Parts of
Adjective
speech.
and verb. We pronounce
Yes.
a verb.
Verb.
Verb. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay, thank you.
adjectives are describing words. All right. So describing a noun, such as a big house, small house,
Yes.
tiny house. So adjectives describe always. Okay, so it always goes before the noun, before the describing word.
Yeah.
Okay, and then verbs are action,
Yeah.
right? So verbs are actions like go, past tense, went, eat, ate, look, run, watch. Yeah, all of these different things are verbs.
Yeah. Okay. So, next one.
What do you mean? Next one, what?
I mean next adverb.
An adverb?
Yes.
Okay, so an adverb tells a specific time, such as, or not a specific time, I'm sorry, how something was done. For example, she walked quickly. Quickly would be your adverb.
Yeah. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So the adverb almost always goes after the verb.
Okay. After the verb. Okay.
Sometimes it goes at the beginning, like quickly she ran.
Yeah.
So it's either at the very beginning or at the very end.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, any questions so far about adjectives, verbs, or adverbs?
I don't know about parts of speech. You can tell me.
The parts of speech. All right, so we have the noun, which is a person, place, or thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's a part of speech, the noun. Okay, then you have a verb, which we already talked about. You have an adjective, the adverb. Another one is a direct object. It goes usually more at the end of a sentence as well. And it just tells you exactly what the sentence is talking about.
Okay.
Or to whom they're talking to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so what do you think is the hardest thing about learning English?
Grammar
Okay.
and vocabulary.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so don't worry too much about grammar as you are starting out learning how to talk. The more important thing is talking. Okay, so like as you have class with native English speakers, you will learn the correct way to say things, the correct pronunciation. So always try to like copy the way we say things, you know, so you can get the correct pronunciation. And vocabulary, you add more vocabulary when you're talking to people. You hear new words, so you can write them down. So I have students who, when they hear a new word that I say, they write it down. So that way they remember that word and they can practice with that word. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Another good way to add vocabulary is by watching or like watching Netflix or something in English.
Netflix.
Or
Yeah.
listening to music, watching movies, listening to podcasts.
Yes. Yeah, I watch Cambly conversations.
Okay.
Yeah, and I learned BBC learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I listen and I speak.
Good.
I read loudly. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so first I want to ask you, which accent do you want to have? American or British?
American.
American. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to have more of an American accent, then
Yeah.
you need to listen more to American accents.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
unfortunately, BBC is British. You know,
Oh.
they have
Yeah.
a British accent. So if you're at
Yes.
the beginning of learning how to speak, it's important to focus on one accent. Otherwise,
Okay.
you're going to get kind of confused.
Yeah.
You know, so there are other news that you can watch and listen, like Fox News, CNN.
Yes.
Just
Okay.
the only thing is when you're watching these news
Okay.
or listening, don't listen.
Mhm.
Don't believe everything you hear because a lot of it is fake news.
Yeah.
So just use it for practice, not, oh, they said this is what's happening and this is true, because most of the time,
Yeah.
you know,
Yes. Yes.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. So vocabulary, and what did you say was hard? Vocabulary and speaking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So what else do you do every day to practice?
Sorry.
Do you do anything to practice your English every day?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do?
No. Reading,
Okay.
and I write some English sentences,
Good.
and I watch some YouTube videos
Okay.
in English.
Good.
I watch a series.
Good.
Yeah. So that's all.
That's very good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do? Are you in school? Do you work? What do you do?
Yes. Right now I am in 12th grade.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So you're in high
I'm
school.
in high school. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Do you practice English at school?
Yeah. Only I read.
Okay.
Yeah. Reading.
Okay. Do you ever
Yes.
read out loud, or do you
Yeah.
read in your head?
Yeah. Head.
In your head. Okay.
Yeah.
So practice loud, because the more that you talk, the better it is for you.
Okay.
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 Good. All right. Do you have any other questions about English or about communication or anything before your time is up?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Okay. I ask you one question.
आज यहाँ मेरी